Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be doing 2 looks, 1 palette with the brand new Morphe 9B Calm Me Baby palette. This is such a good little palette. I had a really great time playing with it. I only used these 2 Morphe brushes for the whole video, the Jaclyn Hill JH39 and the Jaclyn Hill JH30. That's the only 2 brushes I used in this entire look. It was actually pretty easy, pretty simple, and I was blown away. I didn't have to pack on any of these shades whatsoever. I was thoroughly impressed. This is such a vibrant light purple. I really liked using it to like buff out the color, and just it really gives dimension to the other shades. And I put it very lightly in the inner corner on this one, and even these shimmers are so beautiful. I've been sleeping on Morphe for a long time because I tried a bunch of their palettes a couple years ago and I really just disliked Morphe, and their shadows were just so dry and just did not work well whatsoever with me at all. It was whatever. It was bad, and I decided I'm just gonna swoon off or swear off, what is it called, Morphe, and you know what, just not ever buy from them again and not give them $1. But since I purchased the big Primpin palette in the other holiday launch, I was like, wow, this is a holiday launch. These are actually pretty good. So I picked up this palette. I picked up this palette. This is the 9Z Jessie Zen. It's a blue tone palette, so I'll be doing a video on this as well. But this one is so good. Love it so much. Like this purple, like I said, it's so light, but it's so vibrant. Like, such a light, pretty vibrant, perfect for spring. I feel like this could probably be like a Jeffree Star Pink Religion dupe. It reminds me obviously a lot of ColourPop palettes because it is in this plastic packaging, but I really like the design of this, and I don't know, I feel like, I don't know, I really like this. Definitely ColourPop vibes, obviously because of everything going on, but I really like this palette, you guys. It's really good. So I'm going to play my looks for you guys. I'm not going to do a final impression or anything like that. I'm just going to tell you how it is at the beginning of the video this time, and then you can just watch the looks as they go. But I love them. I did kind of more of a darker look over on this side and then a much more vibrant look on this side, and I love them both so much, and I actually cannot wait to keep this palette in my collection and use it through these spring months this year, along with my Too Faced butterfly one. I did 2 looks on this. One video is posted, one is not posted yet. And also, if you were wondering what is on my skin, even though I know you are not wondering, I tried out this product and this product today from Jaclyn Hill. Of course, I used a foundation over it. It's a whole thing. The video is a whole thing. But anyways, if you're into these types of videos from me, because I love playing with eyeshadow and showing you, you know, the new eyeshadow palettes, and oh my gosh, I've been talking for 4 minutes. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much. And let's just get on to the video.